Welcome to Techcybo.com. This is part 36 of creating responsive website with ASP.NET and Bootstrap. If you haven't watched the previous videos, either you watch the video or download the project files and database, links in the description. In our current project, we are using the old Bootstrap 3. Now it's outdated, because Bootstrap released the latest version 4.5, and it's the best Bootstrap release ever. In this video, I am going to show you how to migrate our Bootstrap 3 to the latest Bootstrap 4.5. So let's get started. Go to Bootstrap.com and download the latest Bootstrap bundle. Extract the bundle and copy the CSS files from the folder. You can copy both min and full versions of CSS and JS, but only the min file is required to work. Now replace our old CSS files with Bootstrap 4 CSS files. The same way we need to replace the JavaScript file also. After replace, just hard refresh our application. Now you can see our design is broken, because our HTML code is for Bootstrap 3, so we need to convert all our code to Bootstrap 4. Let us start with our default page. First, let us fix our navigation bar. The Navbar has been entirely rewritten in Flexbox with improved support for alignment, responsiveness, and customization. Navbar default is now Navbar Light, though Navbar Dark remains the same. Drop the Navbar form class entirely. We can refer our Bootstrap 4 documentation and see the differences. Copy the navigation code, paste it in our code. Now add our buttons, images, and links to our navigation list. Delete the disabled link. We can keep the search button here. We will add search functionality in the coming videos. Now add cart button after the search button, and add left margin too. In Bootstrap 4 we add the margin, padding, other CSS functionality easily with these short classes. Change our counter id. Now we have added all links and functionalities. Now delete our old Navbar, refresh the page. We need to remove this padding to correct our Navbar. Now our navigation bar is set. It is working fine in responsive view. Next, we need to add the new navigation to user homepage. I will fast forward the steps to avoid repetition. Comment out the old navigation code. In order to avoid auto rename, remove the sign up button because of its user homepage. Next, add new navigation on the sign-in page. The sign-in page is ready. Now move on to sign up page. Now our sign-in page and sign-up page is ready. Now move on to Forgot Password page. Forgot Password page is ready. Now move on to the Recover Password page. Now let us edit our master page. First, let's correct the user master page. Now move on to the admin master. We can delete about and contact pages. It is not needed in admin pages. The home link needs to redirect to the admin homepage. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up, it helps our channel a lot. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.